Richard Southern joins us now. Richard, with no end in sight to the current strike at select Metro grocery stores, the company is now asking the province to appoint a negotiator.
Yeah, I mean, the strike, Erica, at 27 Metro grocery stores here in the GTA, entering almost its third week. And this afternoon, Metro said, hey, we want the Ministry of Labor to help us out here and to appoint a mediator to try and get both sides back at the table. So the two sides have not been talking. What the union says will end the strike tomorrow is the resumption of so-called pandemic pay. During the pandemic, grocers gave workers a $2 an hour pay bump. The union wants that made permanent. The union turned down an offer a couple of weeks ago that would have seen full-time employees get a raise of more than $3, but not until July of 2026. We're going to keep a close eye on this one. It has implications certainly for other grocers. Erica, Metro stock was down just over 0.5% today.
Okay, it appears Hershey Canada has struck a multi-million-dollar deal to buy back its former chocolate factory in Smith Falls, Richard.
Yeah, they're going to have to get the smell out, though, Erica. This is interesting. For a long time, I mean, since the early 50s, Hershey's made their chocolate at this factory in Smith Falls, Ontario. And then in 2013, along came Canopy Growth, a big Canadian cannabis company, and they started growing pot in this facility. Well, as we've talked about often, things have gone kind of south in the Canadian cannabis business. The companies are struggling. Canopy today sold this facility for $53 million back to Hershey's Canada. So they're going to start making chocolate yet again. They're certainly a good news story for the Smith Falls area. Canopy says this is part of their restructuring efforts. The stock, although up almost 10% today, trades at just 56 cents, a far cry from the more than $70 it traded at its high a few years ago, Erica.
All right, and finally, Walmart is beating expectations as the company releases details on its profits so far this year.
Yeah, we always take a good look at Walmart earnings because they are, an economic bellwether, as goes Walmart. Often, so goes the economy. Company did post better than forecast earnings, but did so, it said, as it attracted more budget-conscious consumers looking for deals in a tough economic environment. The CEO said he's seeing millions of people now starting to feel increased economic pressure. That can benefit Walmart, especially in the grocery aisle. The company, believe it or not, books more than half its sales in the grocery aisle these days, and they try to offer, some competitive prices there. Walmart stock, though, fell 2.25%. It got caught up in a broader market downturn. And Wall Street's fell for a third day on interest rate worry. That was the business story today, Eric.
Thank you for that, Richard. And we'll see you again at 6:40, of course. We're talking about TikTok, and we're also talking about some bacteria that might be lurking on electronics that a lot of us use.